morning, children. Yesterday we told about the some sums of cylinder and given worksheet for you. Later I will see you the sums how you have done it. Okay, today we are learning about the cone. All of you know the symbol of a cone. Here it is the radius of cone and is the height of the cone. This is called as the slant height of the cone. L is called as the slant height. Here I written this: R is equal to radius of the cone, H is equal to height of the cone, L is equal to slant height of the cone. We have to find the slant height. The formula for slant height is L square is equal to R square plus H square. How this formula we get it? Here it is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So L square is equal to R square plus H square. If you want only slant height L, then the square will be changed into square root. So L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. Here there are three formulas for a cone. That is, curved surface area of a cone is pi r l, and total surface area of a cone is pi r into L plus R, and volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I have given some examples of cone. Already know that mehendi and cone ice cream and heap of rice. Heap of rice అంటే ధాన్యం కుప్ప కూడా కోన్ రూపంలోనే ఉంటుంది. అలాగే షార్పనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పెన్సిల్. పెన్సిల్ చెక్కిన తర్వాత ఆ పైన రూపం అంతా కూడా షార్పనింగ్ ఆఫ్ పెన్సిల్ is also a cone. Okay. Here I have given one sum for you. The base area of a cone is 38.5 centimeters square. Its volume is 77 centimeter cube. Find its height. Here, what is the base area of a cone? Already know that the area of the base is a circle. Already know the symbol of the cone. So the bottom of the cone is a circle. So here he given that base area of the cone is a circle. So area of the circle, we have to know the formula for area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square is equal to 38.5 centimeters square. So area of a circle is 38.5 is equal to the value of pi 22 by 7 into r square. Remove the point here. We have to write it as 385 by 10 is equal to 20 by 7 into r square. Then 20 by 7 is here it is reciprocal here. That is equal to r square. 385 by 10 into 7 by 22. అందుకే అర్థమైందా మీకు? 38.5 మీకు పాయింట్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే 385 by 10. 22 by 7 మనకి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ వచ్చినట్టయితే అది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది 7 by 22. That is equal to r square. Here I will cancel it in 11 table. నేను 11 table లో క్యాన్సిల్ చేశాను. 11 2 is 22, 11 3 is 33, remaining 5 is there. So that is 55. 11 5 is 55. Okay. So next one, I have cancelled 35 and 10 in 5 table. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35. So what are the remaining here? It is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. That is equal to r square. R square means r into r. So 1 r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Is given in the sum. Volume of a cone is 77 centimeter cube. So what is the formula for volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 77 is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 77 is equal to 1 by 3 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. And what is the value of r? Here we get the value of r is 7 by 2. I have to put it here. R square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h. Here 7 and 7 is cancelled. 2 cancelled in 22 is 11 times. Then 77 into 1 by 3 is when coming to left hand side, it will be changed. It will be reciprocal. So 1 by 3 is reciprocal as 3 by 1, and 11 by 1 is reciprocal as 1 by 11, and 7 by 2 is reciprocal as 2 by 7. See here 11 is cancelled into 77 as 7. 11 7 is 77. Also 7 and 7 are also cancelled. What are the remainder numerator? 3 1 3 3 2 6. So h is equal to 6 centimeters. Then we got the height of the cone is 6 centimeters. I have given another sum for you here. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a cone. If L is equal to 7 centimeters, H is equal to 21 centimeters, and R is equal to 10 centimeters. Curved surface of a cone is pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7, R value is 10, and L value is 7. 7 and 7 is cancelled. 22 into 10 is 220 centimeters square. So we get the curved surface of a cone is 220 centimeters square. Then what the total surface of a cone formula is pi r into L plus R. Pi is 22 by 7 and R value is 10 and L plus L is 7 plus R is 10. 22 into 10 into 7 plus 10 is 17 by 7. 22 10 is 220. 220 into 7 is 3740 by 7 centimeters square. Okay, I have given a worksheet for you. Here, I have given 3 sums for you. Find the volume of a cone of if radius of a base is 3 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. I have given radius 3 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. The volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I also written here. You have to substitute the values and you get the volume of a cone. Next one is diameter. I have given diameter of the base of cone is 6 centimeters. So here I given diameter, not radius. So you have to find diameter by 2. That is 6 by 2. Then you get 3 centimeters is the radius. Then I have given height of a cone is 5 centimeters. Then find CSA, TSA and volume of a cone. Before finding the curved surface area of a cone, you have to find the slant height. You have already know the formula for L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. Here R is 3 centimeters and H is 5 centimeters. Then you get a slant height is you get the value of slant height. Okay. Then you have to find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of a cone. And I have given another sum for you is base radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. Find the volume of a cone. Just it is this sum is like the first sum. So I have to substitute the values of R and H and find the volume of a